Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Snooze in new Outlook to temporarily hide emails and be reminded of them later. So let's start. Open your new Outlook and go to the inbox. So this is my inbox in Outlook email. I just click on the inbox. The inbox is open. Simply right click on the emails and select the snooze options. And you will see the few times option like the letters today, this evening, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, and choose the date. Okay. So you can choose the reminder time also. So click on the time that works for you and the emails will disappear from your inbox and reappear at the top when the time is comes. Okay, so I select here the tomorrow. It's disappear and reappear the top when the times is come. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.